Jehovah has spoken with me about a place, a conference meeting I go to. And while in that meeting, God the Father comes down with His glory and covers me totally with the white glory of the Lord. And so there is a visitation. I see myself somewhere, and as I am ministering before the Lord and before the people, then He comes with a blanket of glory, the white glory that covers me all the way from the neck, the head, all the way down as I minister the gospel. And it's a very shocking sight to behold. I have seen it. So there is a meeting at which the Lord will visit in that way. Even as His servant will minister there, He will cover him with a white, pure white glory. So even as the servant of the Lord walks towards a given direction, the glory covering him walks with him in that direction, walks back, and it's a very fearful sight to behold. When the Lord showed me that, it's a very shocking and dreadful and very fearful sight to see. Even as I saw myself walking and preaching and ministering, and the white cloud of God's glory in different clouds cover me and move with me all direction, from down all the way, different clusters all over me, and moving with me. And you can see I could see my head out there, but the cloud, the pure white glory, moving with me this way, moving with me the other side. It was a shocking sight to behold. It's a thing one can see and run away. It is a dreadful sight to behold. This is what the Lord has spoken with me about, the visitation that He is bringing to the earth. And again, I've seen myself as I minister the gospel in a meeting. I don't know where this meeting is going to be. Then He covers me with a blanket of its white, pure, glorious cloud, from down all the way up. And as I move, so that cloud that covers me from brother moves with me. And it's a very, very dreadful, it's a very fearful sight to behold.
This night,
tänä iltana
the Lord again spoke with me
Herra jälleen puhui minun kanssani
about the visitation of the Godhead.
jumaluuden vierailusta.
I see God the Father coming again
Näin Isä Jumalan jälleen tulevan
to visit His servant.
vierailemaan palvelijansa luona.
This night,
Tänä iltana.
I don't know where this will be.
En tiedä missä se tapahtuu.
I am praying it be in Finland.
Rukoilen, että se olisi Suomessa.
Hallelujah.
Halleluja.
Because I've seen
Koska olen nähnyt
this night,
tänä iltana.
He showed me how He's going to come with the same cloud
Hän näytti minulle, kuinka hän tulee samanlaisessa pilvessä.
and touch down where I will be standing,
Ja koskettaa alas siinä, missä minä seison.
which means
Joka tarkoittaa,
we are living at a very historic time in the history of the whole earth.
että elämme hyvin historiallisia aikoja koko maapallon historiassa.
This night,
Tänä iltana
I saw this cloud of God, the
Näin.
same cloud really, this cloud.
tämän saman pilven.
And I was standing somewhere
Ja seisoin jossain
ministering,
palvelemassa.
and He touched down
Ja hän kosketti alas.
and He went like this.
Ja tällä tavalla menin.
Yes, exactly like that.
Näin.
And so this night,
Niinpä tuona iltana
the Lord came to me
Herra tuli minun luokseni
and He showed me how He's going to visit again,
ja näytti minulle, kuinka hän tulee jälleen vierailemaan.
to visit His servant.
Vierailemaan palvelijansa luona.
And I see this cloud
Ja näin tämän pilven
coming to where I am standing, and it touches down and it goes up like this.
tulevan siihen, missä olin, ja se kosketti alas.